Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm sitting in the van. Next to me over there is Jessie, also sitting in the van in the passenger seat. And back there we've got the Deef, who's also coming along, and we've got some camping gear in the back. We're just sitting outside our place at home and we're just about to head off to Sydney. Well, we're going to Sydney and then we're going to the Blue Mountains to pick up a new van. And this one has been a long time in the making and I thought I'd make a video about it. So let's get going to Sydney and get this adventure started. Here we are, we have made it to the Blue Mountains. We're at the lookout. I'm just going to pan around so you can have a bit of a look around. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning and it's just starting to warm up. We had less than 0 degrees, probably a -2 last night, and it was absolutely freezing. But with the dog and some good blankets, we stayed pretty warm in the van. And now we're just going to have a bit of a look around the Blue Mountains, and then at 9 o'clock we're going to pick up our new van. If you look up there past the Three Sisters, you can see what I call this place the Blue Mountains. They seem to have this constant haze over the top of the mountains, and it actually gets worse or better, whichever way you want to look at it, the later in the day it gets. Now we've picked up the new van, and on the way home we decided to drop into High Street to get a coffee. And this coffee was made by Mitch Does Coffee. He's got a YouTube channel as well, and he doesn't know that I'm making this video yet. He might see it at some stage, but we're just outside his shop in Penrith. And yeah, the coffee is really good. And Jessie had a iced coffee, iced coffee there, and that was amazing. Yeah, I just did have a taste of it.
It tastes like they made their own whipped cream.
Now, this is just a standard cappuccino that I got. We didn't get anything special. He does really, really expensive coffee. He's actually famous for doing a $1,500 cup of coffee that you can order. You need to pre-order it, and there's a whole big story to it. You can look it up on the internet, and I believe it's also on this YouTube channel. So you can actually get a $1,500 cup of coffee. He also does like $100 coffees, I think. But this one here, I think it was $5. And it's pretty goddamn good.
Dave agrees. He's got cream on his nose. Not anymore.
And Deef just went to attack a nice junkie. He doesn't like, we've figured out, people are nice. It's the only thing that he doesn't seem to like. He likes everything else. Good dog.
Very good guardy.
Now, as you can see, the van's made it home. There it is. And it's been an exciting long trip, especially taking the dog along. And there it is, it's home. So there will be lots more videos about this van in the future on this channel. I've got some big plans for it, and it's not exactly going to stay like it sits there. It's probably normal on this channel, but we will be changing things around. There's quite a few things I don't like, and we will be looking at those things in the future video. I'll be going over the van and making up a bit of a plan on what's going to be happening. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.